Natural remedies for ear infection. Bacteria or viruses in the middle ear cause ear infections. Children are more likely than adults to get ear infections. Wax buildup, upper respiratory infections, food allergies, environmental allergens, genetics, nutritional inadequacies, and internal trauma are some of the causes and contributing factors to ear infections. Pain in the ear, tugging at the ear, difficulty sleeping, headache, poor responsiveness to sounds, high fever, and fluid pouring from the ear are all There are 3 components to the ear: outer, middle, and inner. Any of the 3 parts of the ear can get infected. Infections of the inner ear are the most dangerous. It is critical to treat an ear infection to avoid consequences such as eardrum damage or rupture. There are a number of time-tested, basic, and easy home remedies that can help relieve ear infection discomfort and other symptoms of an ear infection. 1. Salt. The most commonly available home treatment is probably salt. 1 cup salt, heated in a skillet over low heat for a few minutes. You can also use a microwave or a double boiler to reheat it. Place the hot salt on a cloth and use a rubber band to close the open end, or tie a knot. Lay down when it is comfortable to do so and place the cloth over the afflicted ear for 5 to 10 minutes. As many times as necessary, repeat this cure every day. The heat from the sock will help to pull fluid out of the ear, reducing swelling and pain. You could also use 1 cup of rice in the same way as mentioned before. 2. Garlic. Garlic is particularly beneficial in the treatment of ear infections due to its antibacterial characteristics and natural pain-reducing capabilities. Garlic can be used in a variety of ways at home. To make garlic oil, boil 2 garlic cloves in 2 teaspoons sesame or mustard oil until blackish. Strain the mixture. Use 2 to 4 drops of this oil as ear drops in the infected ear when the temperature is bearable. Alternatively, you can cook 2 or 3 fresh garlic cloves for 5 minutes in water, then smash them and season with salt. Fill a clean towel with the mixture and lay it over the affected ear. Consuming 2 to 3 raw garlic cloves per day can also help speed up the process. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a fantastic alternative for getting rid of the fungus that may be causing the ear infection. Combine 1 part apple cider vinegar and 1 part water or alcohol in a mixing glass. Soak a cotton ball in the solution for a few minutes. Place the cotton ball in your ear like a plug for around 5 minutes. To drain the liquid from the ear, remove the cotton ball and lie down on your opposite side. Dry your ear as much as possible using a hairdryer. 4. Olive oil. Wax in the ear capturing some fungal or bacterial growth and causing a blockage in the eustachian tubes is one of the most common causes of ear infections. With the use of olive oil, you may simply remove the impediment. Warm a small amount of olive oil. Fill the affected ear with a few drops of heated oil. The wax will soften as a result of the oil. Using cotton-tipped swabs, remove the contaminated wax. If you insert the swab too deep into the ear, you risk damaging the eardrum. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.